Actually running pipe, there's some very specialised pieces of equipment required, especially for casing and tubing. These specialised tools to facilitate pipe handling and make it more efficient and easier for the people actually doing the job. Again, there's many different specialised tools, but the most common that are necessary to actually do the job are elevators. Several different types of elevators. But the most commonly used and the ones most used each and every run are single joint elevators, which pick up a single joint. They pick it up from the deck or the rack and facilitate movement up to the rig floor, from where the single joint elevators are removed and the string elevators are actually placed on the pipe. Now the string elevators can actually support the full weight of the string, either to run it in or pull it out, whichever it may be. Single joints can't do that. There's two basic types of string elevators. There's the collar support type, which actually works by abutting the box or the coupling at the top of the joint and actually lifts through the coupling and the whole string. Or some connections don't actually have couplings. They do have boxes, of course, but they don't have couplings, in which case you might use slip type elevators. These are steel teeth, about a foot long or whatnot, and they go around the full OD of the pipe and they support the full string by the OD of the pipe. Then there's pipe slips, which is similar to elevator slips, but the pipe slips actually hold the whole string in the rotary table. These are articulated jaws which wrap around the pipe in a set of 3, or if it's a large OD, more than that. They wrap around the pipe and bite into the pipe body as it's set in the bowl of the rotary table, suspending the whole string, so that the next joint can be picked up, stabbed in and assembled. Then there's a simplistic tool called a stabbing guide, which if you run in premium connections is highly recommended. The stabbing guide is something that goes over the top of the box connection in the rotary, and it assists in the stabbing process of the next pin into that box. It's funnel shaped to prevent damage and guide that pin into the box. It's also a safety measure. It makes it safer for the chap doing the stabbing. Then there's tongs. Once we've stabbed the pipe and we've removed the stabbing guide, we need somehow to assemble the pipe. And for this we use tongs. These can be manual or these can be power. Manual tongs tend to just be used for drill pipe, but can be used for casing if we extend the jaws. However, most companies tend to use hydraulic power tongs, which can come just as a power tong or a power tong and an integral backup. The power tong actually rotates the pipe and it applies the torque, and the backup grips the pipe below, so the power tong doesn't actually move. It stops and it actually rotates the pipe, and the force, the energy can be applied to the makeup. So these can be with or without backup.